Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Monday, September 27th, 1999, 10 am. The coming year is likely to bring about changes in your lives. The main thing, however, will not change. You must be able to adapt yourself to circumstances. Nothing really dramatic, don't worry. Learn in all circumstances to keep your eyes turned toward the light at the end of the spiritual path. Should you have to walk on brambles or rubble, nothing will prevent you from reaching the goal. Confidence must be the major asset in your hand. Without confidence, there is no real surrender and love. It is on this aspect that we wish to insist today. It is one of the four elements, including will, that form a strong foundation for the construction of the principal building, the realization of the being. We put our confidence in you. Our union must be perfect so that we can bring you to the highest level. There are not mere words, but actual facts whose effects and effectiveness you will be able one day to notice. Therefore, confidence and courage in the face of adversity. With all our blessings, Babuji. Tuesday, September 28th, 1999, 8 am. We want your hearts to become jewels. Element by element, we give you the keys to success. How to structure your work, your thoughts, and your behavior in all circumstances. If you really became imbued with these messages, if they are not a mere reading, you must sense each atom of your being changing. You must experience intense movements of emotions, of happiness in the depth of your heart, which is the seat of the soul. It deserves a magnificent showcase, divine in its essence, worthy of what it contains. This treasure, which no one except for your masters can really perceive, or assess its richness, or take away from you, is your own. There are fishermen of precious pearls, but this pearl, which is inside you, which changes and is refined with time, cannot be stolen from you. It will precede you on the celestial fields and will be your most precious identity card. With all your heart, using the indications we give you, work with us toward the realization of this masterpiece. Babuji. Tuesday, September 28th, 1999, 10 am. You are on a luminous road. Blinkers still hide its beauty from you. Gradually, and contrary to the prisoner locked up for the long time in the darkness of a jail, and who recovers with time a normal eyesight when returning to the light of the day, you will discover what surrounds you in this inner sanctuary, and that will fill you with wonder. Babuji.